Today we have some interesting news regarding the forthcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 and its ability to outperform the iPhone 15 Pro in terms of graphics performance. This is all owing to the speculated Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, which is slated to power Samsung's high-end phones next year. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is an improved version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. According to a well-known leaker named Digital Chat Station, the new Adreno 750 GPU in this chipset is believed to be 50% more powerful than the Adreno 740 GPU featured in the Galaxy S23. Let us now look at the processor design. The current Gen 2 processor contains one high-performance core, 4 mid-range cores, and 3 cores for general-purpose activities. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will, on the other hand, have 2 high-end performance cores capable of exceeding 3 GHz as well as 3 mid-range cores. This configuration should result in a more balanced power distribution. If the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is constructed on a 3nm technology, like the predicted Apple A17, it could provide better performance while utilizing less power than its predecessor. This is critical for ensuring a long battery life and preventing your phone from overheating. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, for example, employs a modified Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 microprocessor that competes fiercely with Apple's A15 processor in the iPhone 14. In fact, our testing demonstrates that it outperforms the A15 in multi-core performance despite having a lower clock speed. In terms of graphics and gaming capabilities, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip even exceeds Apple's A16 processor since it remains cooler under load while giving comparable performance per watt. If the Adreno 750 GPU in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is 50% quicker, we may anticipate the graphics performance of the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra to outperform that of the iPhone 15 Ultra, which is likely to be its major opponent. In short, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has already shown that Qualcomm can compete with Apple's strong CPUs, and the impending Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 seems to improve that position even more. So keep a lookout for the Samsung Galaxy S24 next year, as it might be a genuine game-changer in the smartphone sector. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.